So the system also will have this the following limitation. One, the first limitation here, the system cannot be able to provide a mobile application development. The system also will not able to make online payment processing, also payroll management and advanced AI analysis. That is wherein the system some people want to ask, okay, why the system cannot be able to cannot be able to track the AI system there. So the system will not be able to do that one. Again, the multi-branching synchronization, the system cannot be able to do that one again. So move on to the requirement gathering, that the methodology of what I use here. So the figure 3.1, talk about what the methods of requirement gathering. The following techniques were used to gather system requirement. The interview, of course, I conducted the interview with administration, the staff, and the inventory clerk within the bank's enterprise and School of Technology situated in Loan Sharp. So also within the requirement gathering here again, I do observation that studying existing manual process that I've gone through all their manual system, and so that I take also record of that one. Again, questionnaires, we are in collecting feedback from staff. Also document review, and ensure that I examine the existing sales and event record. So we have the figure 3.2, the functional requirement. This specify what the system should do. We have the requirement here. One, the user's authentication and authorization ensures that the accurate password is given. If you are not authorized to enter into the system, you cannot be able to access within the system. So the system can able to add, update, delete products again. Also record sales transactions. Also the system can be able to update inventory sales, generate receipt and invoice, product report, also manage customer and supply, and also backup and restore data. So we have the non-functional requirement. The system, this describe system quality and performance. So the high security, the fast response time, that is if you click into the system, it ensures that system will not delay. Of course, we have again the high availability and users friendly interface. The scalability wherein the system can able to schedule, that is the add, modification, you add and remove, and also data integrity and accuracy. So this is the hardware requirement. The system will design purposely for desktop or laptop computers. The server, it has to deal with the local server and that of the cloud-based server. Again, the stable internet connection ensures that if you want to go to the system through internet, ensures that you have a stable requirement. So the figure 3.5, which emphasizes on the software requirement. Of course, this is the hardware requirement, and this is the software requirement. So the software requirement, the web browser like a Chrome, the Firefox, and that of the Microsoft Edge. The web server, the Apache and Unix, and also the database that I'm going to use here, the MySQL for the menu, enterprise, and also Postgres SQL, that the standard or the extended enterprise. So the backend there I'm going to use here is the backend frame as a Python, Tkinter, and Node JavaScript. So we go to the user person as. Of course, the user person as represent the typical system users, their needs, challenges, and also expectation. Personal one, the system administrator or the owner, which is the CEO there, the bank CEO, Mr. A.B. Bangra. The age there, that's all this part of the requirement gathering. The age is 45, and the role is director or administration. And the goal: monitor business operations, track profit, generate a report, and also control system access. So this will be the overall overall base of the system administration, wherein when you talk about this system administration, he's there to oversee all what is going on into the system. So within here now, he has a lot of privileges within the system. He will be having a lot of privileges within the system. So again, we also have the challenges. Say manual report preparations and the poor data accuracy. What the system need, or what he needs, going to the interview with Banks Enterprise and the School of Technology CU. The system needs admin dashboard. The dashboard will display everything in there, wherein it will record on all the sales made per day, per a month, or monthly, and so that or daily basis and yearly basis, and so that it is recorded within the system. So the sales inventory report, the report here again, the day, the month, and also daily report will be given within the system. Users management panel, like as we see, the Banks Enterprise will ensure that the panel will be providing, ensure that he manage everything within the system. Now we go to the personnel 2, the store manager, which is Miss Aminata Kuruma. So the age of the Aminata Kuruma is 35. The role is operation manager, and the goal is one, monitor stock, supervise sales, and also other supplies. So the challenge is, we have the stock shortage, we also have manual record update, and the system will need within Aminata privilege. The system will will ensure that the stock alert system will be given, and also inventory reports and supply management. So this this system will emphasize on this role for this person, which is the operation manager, Aminata Kuruma. Now we go to personnel 3, the cashier. The cashier here will emphasize on the name of the cashier is Marama Conte, and the age is 25, and the role is a sales staff. So within the goal here is what? Fast sales response, processing, and also accurate billing, also issues receipt. So seeing the cashier will manage all the financial recording, ensures that the cashier do fast sales processing, accurate billing, and also easy receipt. Like if a customer comes to buy, then it says that so you give out the receipt, that automated receipt. Then moving forward to the challenges, the manual calculation error. So these are the challenges Marama Conte is facing currently, that when customer buy a product, ensures that only calculating this bill manually using calculator, and using calculator will lead to inefficient management of the system. So again, long customer queue. For example, since the system is they are dealing with a paper-based system into the Banks Enterprise and School of Technology. So like for example, if we are 5 in number, then I'm the first person to buy the product. So for example, I buy the system. So when I purchase the system, it will lead to delay. What may come with the delays? Because of the manual calculation and the manual calculation, wherein the Marama Conte will ensure that it calculates the what I've made, my purchases, also again ensures that it calculates my changes. That is for example, if I go to 10,000 and I purchase 5,000, you have to ensure that